We're just gonna go and take a peek. Quick glance.
Well, hello there, YouTube. Twisted here back again. And today we are just taking a little bit of gander at this little cute fella. Cute little fella. Today we're taking a gander at the AAA Vape Cub 30-watt starter kit. That's right, people, the AAA Vape Cub. And that's exactly what it is. It's a little cub bear. It's a little cub bear. How you guys doing? You guys doing good? That's good. A lot been going on. Sorry I didn't get to stream Friday. A lot of stuff happening. Found out a buddy of mine passed. It kind of sucked. But beyond that, we got some reviews coming. Pretty standard stuff. You know, we got some things coming up. But there's some big changes coming to the channel that we might discuss on the next live stream. Twisted therapy session. I know we were supposed to do on live. But anyway, we'll get back to it at some point. But it's not about that. I just wanted to give you a little word of peace, let you know where I'm at. And what this is, though, people, what this is a 1000 mAh, 30 watt, 2 mil capacity, little box thingy. Little cute little box thingy. It comes in a bunch of different finishes and colors, and I've seen it on the interwebs for about 55 bucks. If I had to say, 55 bucks. This is another one of those great little pod alternatives because you got some mesh, you got some sub-ohm, and you can do some nic salts. It's a versatile little guy, okay? It's a versatile little guy. It goes up to 3.9 volts, I think, 30 watts max. 0.4 ohm is the lowest resistance, if I'm not mistaken. Just a couple little facts to get out of the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging, people. That's right, the packaging. You open this bad boy up, you got a little baggie with some O-rings and stuff, and then you're gonna have your mod and your tank. Okay, over to the right, you're gonna have a couple of coils. That's your 2 mesh coils in there chilling. You're also gonna have an extra glass and a freaking micro USB charging cable, okay? And that is all she wrote in regards to packaging, folks. Now, as far as this guy, let's talk about this tank first. And this tank's pretty standard, little cub tank. Only thing is, this top feels disgusting. You unscrew the top and it's just open. It's old school. I wish it had slide back or something else, but it is 2 mil capacity. It's a small guy, but I wish the top fill was cooler. But anyway, you unscrew the bottom, and this is where your coil goes. You've got a plug style system. You push your coil up in there, and when you get ready to take it out, you just pull it out. It's supposed to be less messy and everything. Pretty good little system, not too bad. Other than that, it's pretty standard. 1 airflow slot that's adjustable, and that is all she wrote. Now, as far as these coils, we got a couple of coils. First, we'll take a look at the 0.6 ohm. Yeah, the 0.6 ohm, they say it's good up to 19 watts. And if you look in there, yeah, it's a little mesh fella in there. Look at that, look, you little guy. And then you got a 1.6 ohm mesh. That would be more for your nic salts, although I think you can do nic salts on either coil. It'd be fine. But yeah, there's your 1.6 ohm, itty bitty little mesh, looking good. And those are the coils, okay? Beyond everything else, you got a spring-loaded 510 up top. I think the most it's gonna accommodate is about a 24 millimeter atomizer, because as you can see with the 25 millimeter on there, there's a little bit of overhang. And then beyond that, man, it's so damn simple. 5 clicks on and off for this guy, okay? And then you got a little button that adjusts your power. Goes from freaking, what is that, like yellow to blue to red. It's a whole thing. And yeah, a little micro USB charge port on the front, and that's it, man. This thing is really small and deceptively light. Okay, it's like really light. Without this tank on here, like the tank, I think damn near weighs more than this whole little mod right here. But it's 1,000 milliamp hour, which means you'll get pretty decent battery life. 0.6 ohm, 1,000 milliamp hour, 3/4 of a day before you need to plug it up is what I'm guessing. Now that all that's out of the way, we can just discuss this little guy. Overall, man, this little guy is cute. It's 1,000 mAh, which is decent. 2 mil capacity, which is okay for something this small. You got sub-ohm mesh. You can do nic salts. You can do regular liquid. I got some max VG 3 milligram in here. Let me have a toke on this little guy. Not bad for what it is, man. Not too shabby, man. Not too shabby. It's satisfying. It works. I can dig it. Overall, this is a pretty cool little thing. Only thing I really dislike majorly is this damn top feel. But that's nitpicking, really. Everything else is pretty cool. Adjustable power, small form factor, very light, pretty good battery life. Got some versatile coil options. What more do you want from me, people? Overall, I think it's a decent package. 55 to 60 is what I've seen it for. It seems a little bit high. It'd be better in like the 35 to 40 buck price, in my opinion. But overall, Not too shabby of a little device. And that's what I got for you people on the AAA Vape Cub. It's a cute little fuck, let me tell you, little bitty fella. I like it. A lot of stuff coming up, people. A lot of stuff and many things. Okay? Links in the description if you want to go look around together. I don't give a shit. But I told you, and that, my friends, is worth just a smidgen of something. You guys stay sexy out there. I'm out. Vaping saves more lives than not messing with cubs, because more than likely, the mama bear is somewhere close by.